An ANC Member of Parliament from the Northwest is due to appear in court today for allegedly killing his wife. The suspect was arrested on Friday and will appear in the Orkney Magistrates Court. He is accused of stabbing his wife in their home in November last year. The ANC Women's League in the province says justice must be served and that this MP must answer for his actions. Refiloe Seboko is our reporter tracking that story and joins us outside court this morning. So, Refiloe, where the murder itself happened in November of last year, do we know anything about police investigations that led to his arrest last week?
Well, not much has been revealed by the police, Michelle, so far, and just the questions of the murder happening last year, November, and only him being arrested on the 20th of January 2023. But the response has been to the killing of that wife, and also some of the people responding to a history of GBV femicide incidents that happened in that relationship or marriage. Some of the people that are here that had indicated that they will be picketing outside the Orkney Magistrates Court is the ANC Women's League in the Northwest. I'm joined by Peter Lenkopane. Lenkopane, thank you so much and welcome to Newzroom Afrika. Your response or your reaction to finding out about the news of the ANC MP being arrested for allegedly murdering his wife?
We are very clear. We have always raised it, not even today, but we have always raised it as the ANC Women's League, which is the integral part of the ANC, that we will always be on the side of the victim on issues of gender-based violence, because we are the only organization of women that advocates for the interests of women. And in this case, we are here to support the family of Mutlomi, and we are very clear to say, not in the name of those who masquerade to be MPs or deployees or comrades, are our women going to be killed. So we are very clear that today we are here not to come and shine. We are here actually to say to the cause, we will not agree to any bail application for those who are suspects that are related to murdering, raping us and other things. This is the spot where women are killed every day around this area of Kanana, Orkney, in the municipality of Matlosan. So today as the ANC Women's League, we are joined by not only Women's League, because we work with partners, we work with NPOs, we work even with the League and the Alliance of the ANC. So we'll be here together in numbers. But what is important is also to note that a person who is a deployee of the ANC who is going to appear today is not an MP today. In the eyes, the public, the society must not be misled. They must not perceive the ANC to be an organization of suspects or murderers or those who do not fight gender-based violence. Not in the name of this organization. So we are going to stand up very clear today in court, and no bail. No bail to even other cases that are related. From here we are going to occupy streets, and we are very clear. We defend the integrity of our organization. Not in the name. No one is a deployee here. There are only suspects in these cells. No one here is a comrade. There are only suspects in these cells, not in the name of the ANC.
Does that, when you're saying that the suspect is not appearing as the ANC MP, in terms of the policies and the procedures when one is being accused, does that mean you are calling for him to be officially removed as an MP of the ANC, or just that his appearance today is not as the ANC member but just as the suspect of murder?
Look, today the appearances of suspects. When we are around court, suspects are here, perpetrators are here, those who are found on the inverse of the law are here. And when someone is in here, there's no NP who can be in the cells. Immediately when you get into the cells, your status completely changed, because the ANC that we are a league of understand and teaches you how to conduct yourself, because the character of the ANC in itself is non-sexist. It is against the president of the ANC, Comrade Cyril Ramaphosa, has made it very clear that GBV is also one of those that we have to make it to be the pandemic. And he has also pronounced it in the conference, in his political report, that women must be respected, because when you take the life of a woman, it's like you are not respecting the rights of that woman. And human's life also matters when coming to human rights.
Maybe in short, Melon Kopane, just before I hand it over, what would you, as the ANC Women's League, want to see happen in this case?
The law must take its course. And the nice thing is that we have already resolved, by the way, this year as the PTT of the ANC Women's League in the Northwest, not only on this case, we have resolved that we are going to mobilize women who are in the form of NGOs and are members of the ANC Women's League. We are going to join. We are going to draft papers. We are going to apply for all these cases of gender-based violence, specifically this one, because we have interest in this one. We are going to apply as amicus curiae, the friends of court, that we have interest beyond what they might find here, because there lies the kids, Jennifer, there, without a mother. There lies the family, Jennifer, still crying today, not knowing what happened to their child. So we are going to say, we are going to follow all the rules that court or through application as amicus curiae to court. And every process will be there.
Thank you so much for your time. Peter Linkopane from the ANC Women's League in the Northwest. Like she said to Michelle, some structures of the ANC are also here. We saw Vessels Moreng from the ANC Youth League in the Northwest, together with some members of the ANC. Community members are also here. We also understand that the EFF is also expected to come and picket right here outside Orkney's Magistrate Court.
There in front of that court, just outside of that court. Thanks very much indeed for that update.